guys, got the wheels and tires swapped out on the Suburban here. 265/65/18 wheel and tire off a later model Tahoe Suburban. I'm gonna guess around 2010 to 2013, somewhere.
All right, here's a look at the original wheels and tires that I took it off of it. They were 16-inch wheels. I bought these 18-inch wheels with a 265/65/18, I believe, for $100.
There's these wheels. A friend of mine had them at work. He took them off and bought a set of other takeoffs, and he sold me these for $100. The two rear tires need to be replaced. We're gonna try to find some to match these up because the fronts are actually pretty nice. Sold Suburban here. Picked it up for $3,800 right from the detail shop. Lady took it there and had it cleaned up and put it on Facebook Marketplace. She wanted $5,500, came down to $45 after $3,800 for it, and got it. And it's an older truck. It's an 01. It's got 215,000 miles on it, but it's fairly well loaded up here. Got leather interior, dual power seats, you know, all the memory resets, all the stuff. Got a aftermarket stereo in there, which, you know, I don't really care for, but that's okay. Looks like it's got rear AC there, console. Overall, pretty clean old truck. One of the things I like about these old body styles, as I'll call them, Suburban, rather than the 2007 newer ones, I really like the looks of the 2007 and newer, but they have that active fuel management on it, and we had some pretty tough experiences with those to where you end up swapping out the lifters, cam, possibly, depends on how long you run them, the FM, all that. It's just expensive, and oil pressure issues with them. And these here without the AFM just really perform well and seem to run a long time. You see several of them on Craigslist weekly with over 300,000 miles on it. If you're not familiar with the AFM, that's the active fuel management, where it does the 864 and tries to save fuel economy. I think you might gain a half mile a gallon, 1 mile a gallon with the active fuel management. One thing you'll see, it's an LT. Does need a rear bumper. The bumper over here is bent. They're a dime a dozen in the U-pull. It's around here, so that's no big deal, but I actually have one. One of the things you notice here too is some of you guys are not from the Northwest. This truck is just absolutely rust-free underneath. You know, every nut and bolt, just no problem taking one out if you need to, whatever. She has service records from it. Came from the local repair shop that had taken care of it for years. It was in the family. Different members of the family owned it for a while, and seemed to have taken very good care of it. So I think I'll make a pretty nice old Suburban. I don't know how long I'll keep it, but I think I'll drive it for a while. All right, I showed you the bent bumper on the Suburban. Bumpers around here cheap in the U-pull and stuff, but I forgot we had this old Tahoe over here that we bought for the 5.3 LS motor that we're gonna put in one of these old C10s, and it's got a good bumper on it. It's not perfect, but much better than the one that's on the Suburban now. And for this vintage Suburban with the miles on it stuff, I think it's the right fit for it. So hey, there's our cheap fix. And another bonus here on this Suburban, check that out, full tank of gas. And you know, this Suburban probably holds 30 gallons, so you know, $100 fuel, pretty awesome. All right, this Suburban's got heated seats, power memory seats, power windows, power door locks, 4-wheel drive, leather interior, and those heated seats are really nice. The wife really likes that. All right, guys. That thing I really like about this old Suburban is just nice and quiet going down the road. No intermediate steering shaft noise, which is real common in these things. AC works good. No wheel bearing noise. just a nice driving truck. Everything about it seems to be well taken care of. Like I say, 215,851 miles on it. Just a nice driving truck.
All right, we got the old Suburban all cleaned up. Got that rear bumper swapped out. Really cleaned up nice. Just a nice all-around Suburban. We really needed this truck. We had sold her truck and was waiting for the new one to come, so we had to find something decent for her to drive. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. And if you would, please hit that like button. It'd sure help us out. Thank you much.